Hello, my name is Louise Regina Claypack, and I'm head of gene therapy at Sarepta Therapeutics. I'm really excited to be here with you today as part of our GT FAQ series, our Gene Therapy Frequently Asked Questions series. And this is the first in the series, and we're going to start at the very beginning of what is gene transfer. When we talk about gene therapy, that could comprise a variety of ways to treat genetic disorders. But unless we say otherwise, we're talking about gene transfer. So what is gene transfer specifically? It's simply a way to deliver a new functioning copy of a gene that encodes for a protein. Our bodies are made up of hundreds of different proteins, and these are encoded by DNA, which has a special code to make those proteins. And in individuals with genetic disorders, sometimes these genes just aren't working properly. And we need to find ways to deliver a new version of the gene in order to make that protein and allow the body to function as it should. So what does this all mean? Let me break it down in a little more detail. I like to use the analogy of getting a new toy or getting a new electronic device. It's so exciting when you unwrap the package, and many times these toys already come with batteries inside. But when that toy's been sitting on a shelf for a long time, sometimes the batteries don't work. And so what do you do in that situation? You don't fix that battery that's within the toy, you actually put a new battery in. And I think that's a good analogy in this case, is that we're not doing anything specifically to the genes in your body. We're simply delivering a new version of that gene in order to make a protein that may not be functioning correctly in a particular genetic disease. And so it's a relatively simple concept where you're delivering a new version of the gene to make that protein. But there are many technical challenges that we have to overcome. If you just delivered a gene, a piece of DNA to the body, it wouldn't work very well. And so we had to find ways in order to protect that gene to get to the right place in the body, be protected while it's getting there, and once it gets there, turn on correctly. And so this will be a subject where we'll take a deeper dive into this concept in a future FAQ video. So if you're interested in learning more about gene therapy and these concepts, please speak with your physician if you're interested in learning more. If you have more questions about the science of gene therapy, please drop them in the comments or email us at advocacy@sarepta.com, and we may answer your questions in an upcoming video. Thank you.